Yo, what up, home slices? It's your boy, and I'm coming to you live from HQ. So today, what we're gonna be doing is, so if you guys remember in my previous video, we made this fender piece off of this piece because that one had too much body filler. So I said maybe I'll make a mold out of it. But then I looked at this and then I figured, this is probably lighter than that, and it will probably take a lot less body filler to make it straight how I need it. So yeah, you can see Diane is playing there in the scene. What? Yeah. So he's playing in the scene. Meanwhile, I'll be working, waiting for him to get old enough so that I can put him to work. But anyway, the last piece that we're gonna put on each one, so on this one and on that one, will be this other fiberglass matting that I bought here. So you can see that this is a 12 weave fiberglass mat. So apparently it gives better support and structure. So I'm gonna try and put this one after. One thing that I just want to note is that I am very stupid. I forgot one key thing whenever you doing something with fiberglass, and that is gel coat, right? And then I was watching some videos trying to make my life easier, and then that's when I heard it, and then I was like, shit, how could I forget something so basic because I knew about it. So basically what gel coat is, it's like a self-leveling kind of thing. So after you make your fiberglass piece, you can put a layer of gel coat over it, let it dry, and then it should like self-level all of the air, take out all of the air, fill up all of those air pockets on your fiberglass thingamabob. So we'll be getting that this week, and then we're going to test it out on here and see how much of a difference applying gel coat actually makes, right? Yo, what up guys? So I ended up selling these wheels. Got a decent price for them. So yeah, I'm basically gonna take those two off now. What I did was I took the sun off in the back because I only had one spare wheel to put a car down on, which is there. So what I need to do is work on this car, like the front first and the back. So I tried to align it, the front of the car, such a way that maybe I could, have as much space as possible and work on it when need to remove those things there. And yeah, I think it's in a pretty decent position. So we're selling these wheels. We're also gonna go to a fitment shop to find some new wheels today. Just browsing. Never know, we may end up purchasing something. So remove the wheels, put the front wheel on. This car's not going to be moving around anytime soon, although this angled height is quite nice if you ask me. But anyway, yeah, let's see if we can sell these wheels today, and then let's go look at some more wheels. What we doing? What we doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing, Desnan? I sold the wheels. The guys that came and took my wheels wanted to buy the wheels that I wanted to buy after I sold my wheels. So that's a bit awkward for me. But what's basically about to happen is I phoned the shop. I told him, hey, you know what, I wanted these wheels, so keep them aside for me. I'm coming to take them. So I'm on my way now to the shop that sells those wheels, and yeah, we can see from there. Hopefully they keep it aside for me. If not, then they sell it to that guy. I mean, man, right? But yeah, I'm really hoping they keep those wheels aside for me because I really wanted them. Let's try and get there quick, and then hopefully we can go home with those wheels. Okay, we are now. I don't see those guys anywhere here. But let's see if we can organize a set of wheels. Ooh, so these what now? These are black. Okay, so we went. I was there first. The guys came, put money down, and they ended up taking the wheels. It was weird, but anyway, I am angry. However, you know what, I'm just trying to calm myself down. Allah knows best, you know. Maybe there's something better in the future. If something you don't get it, you know, maybe you'll get something better going forward. Well, that's at least what I'm trying to console myself with. But anyway, there was a set of Lenzos at Auto Styling Clark store. Problem was the price, man. It was 20 grand, which is about $1,500, I think. The wheel was so fucking nice, man. 18s. Okay, the offset was a bit off, was 5.1 something. But I was gonna put the adapters on that shit. It was what, like 9.5s in the front, 11s in the back. Yo, it's a beautiful wheel. Unfortunately, I can't afford it though. But yeah, anyway, let's see. Hopefully, in the near future, we'll be able to get a good set of wheels. Not exactly sure what we're going to get, but yeah, hopefully it's a good one. I'd be absolutely happy if I got those Lenzos, but I doubt it because of the price. I don't have YouTube money yet. But anyway, that is enough of my complaints. Let's see now what are the plans. I mean, I know I haven't been posting a lot recently. I've had bad insomnia. I haven't fucking slept properly in like a month. 3 hours a night for the past month. It's been a bit rough. And then recently my wife's uncle passed away. So it's been a bit hectic, you know. But anyway, yeah, so let's see what the future holds for us. Let's see what the future holds for this channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you want to donate me some money, just be sure to send me an email. I'll be happy to send you my banking details. But yeah, that's it for this video. I think I don't have much else to do. I'm a bit livid, absolutely flippin' livid, to be honest. The guy at that shop, I'm not gonna say what shop I went to, but he was very unhelpful also. Anyway, So yeah, let's see if you know about some white set of wheels that are out there in South Africa. Do hit me up, let me know in the comment section below. If you wanna give me money, let me know. I won't say no. And yeah, let's see how the future goes, guys. Don't forget, we have some merch available at urbaninc.sa.com. That obviously all contributes towards the build, so be sure to check them out. Be sure to buy some, only if you like them. If you're not a fan of them, tell me you're not a fan, tell me why you're not a fan, and let's see if we can make some merch that you guys will appreciate, you know. But yeah, that's it from me. Word said. But yeah, let's see till the next time I post. Till we meet again. Peace, happy holidays. Don't forget to take that break. That mental break is what everybody needs, so don't forget to take it. And I will see you guys soon. Peace.